let's continue, guys. Let's do something. Let's do something today. Should we just do something today? We had some losses last week, this week, rather. Okay, first of all, we close on SGS. Let's look into that. Will not be so? Immediately we enter that trade. Yes, oh no, this trade is not. This trade will push out. We still go up, guys. No worry. So if you're to just enter one stop loss, one position with minimal weeks, because this place will push up before you can even show any evidence in one pivot. I think we had the entry here. Let me see, because I saw something. I never had to enter it first. I just knew no, this thing. Yeah, saw something. That was what it's not a Wednesday. Well, we had our first loss for the week. Not a Wednesday. Yeah, it's a Wednesday, right? Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I think it was a Wednesday, right? Yeah, this is Wednesday.
Okay.
It was a Wednesday. Yeah. Before I even draw my trend line, see, imagine it was even on a trend line. It will move now. I didn't even know, sir. Can you imagine? So I saw this. I told you about this pattern on a cycle level. Little I saw it, and I saw this thing that happened, and I saw this one that opened. I saw this one too. It thought a week. Buyers are this one is still in the market. And then I said this. I knew, guys, this thing will push. It will still push up. If you can push up before you can stop, we need to see confirmation that it's already stopped and you want to do a short market, and it's already doing what a double M pattern. Otherwise, this thing will go up. Some people didn't enter, which is fine. And some that I enter, just to them, that one position where they minimal risk, now you make it just do. Otherwise, this thing, let it go to someone and yeah, it's on open. I just, guys, take care of this thing, opt out. What the news came safe, opt out, run away, opt out. And then you do all this stuff. And the news came in, and then push. I think news came in later on. The news came in and stuff like that. So, why were we wrong actually? Why do you think we are wrong, sir? Let's look at it. Why were we wrong on this trade? How were we wrong? So I didn't knew it though. I saw it though. I didn't know it, but why were we wrong? Why do you need to tell us? Based on what you
based on my own analysis, because I took a buy then.
Okay.
Because I drew my trend line before then, and I saw the W pattern, although it's not that perfect. This W pattern.
Yeah, this small W.
Because
Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Because I'm trying to study something about the GBPUSD.
Okay.
So, for my understanding, I see that I used to wait for the point of action on the cycle level. So, what I wait for on the cycle level is maybe it will change direction, because if it's going to go down, if the market is trending up and wants to change direction, it will definitely do an M pattern or W pattern. So I wait for the reaction. So if it's going to continue the move, it will do a W or M pattern also. So on this trend line, it did a small W, although it's not that perfect. So I took a buy. I'm still trying to understand the place, still trying to by strategies, and it's been working so far. So, and I saw a small W here, although it's not that perfect, but at least.
Awesome. Also, for the first thing that I even said that you have done your trend line, I was so impressed. That's it. If I have done my trend, probably I wouldn't have entered or take it. I think because this is not too clear, This is just, let's say, if you are too overconfident in the market, this kind of stuff tends to happen, too confident in the market, you just think. But if you are too very careful, we should have waited for more confirmation and be clear. Since we saw this, it's already changing, not a pattern again for M and it can fall. So one, we didn't wait for what? Confirmation, a clear confirmation. Secondly, this thing wasn't early drawn. If our channel was early drawn, let me go back now. Let's see. If this channel was early drawn, of course, we wouldn't have even think about any, what is it? Yeah, see, second touch. If our channel was early drawn, we wouldn't have think of any words, any second touch of it in the trend line, and it's still trend line. So we have think we have to wait for it to break the trend line or weakness, show itself. So that's the two things I think we didn't do wrong. I knew when you enter finish, I just saw that next candle. I knew, yeah, but no panic, but you don't try it. So this thing go sell you, this go buy you. You learn first. You can even say you want to short. It will learn first. That is if the shots will come early. It will learn first. Maybe you open on the next one.
Yes. Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which candle pattern should I go and focus on, like candlestick pattern? Like I want to learn more on the candlestick or the reversal, the doji, the morning star. I don't know anything about them.
Everything, since any you can print anything, just like you asking me that, sir. How can I use it? Okay, you're a farmer. Okay, good. You're a business person. Okay, good. You're a business person, and you said, which let me example, used to plant any different crops. Which crop should I can focus on? Whereas crops at that time, cassava is 9 days for 9 days and now, corn 9 days and now. By December, this one will come aside. So if you want to make money in all this period of time, January you want to make money, March you want to make money, June you want to make, you have to know everything. Am I talking? So if you say you have to be waiting for January alone to make money. You have to wait for December alone to make money. Am I talking? So if you say I want to know how to plant only maize, and you have to learn how to make money. So if you want to, you just have to take it step by step. Learn a VASA pattern first. Learn doji continuation pattern. Learn this pattern, and then so because anyone can print out today. Today can be the one that you don't know, and you take decision on it, you'll be wrong. Tomorrow can be the one you know, and you take decision on it, you'll be right. Am I talking? Do you understand me, sir? Am I talking, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I talking? So just like me teaching you different strategies. So if I've taught you one strategy and you see another strategy in the market, you will not be able to trade it. So that's why I taught you different strategies. I taught you different head and shoulder, support resistance, and trend line, and this one, chart pattern, price action. I taught you different strategies. There are people that don't even use rather than price actions. Some people is always market structure. Some people is head and shoulder. Some people, that is it. I taught you different strategies that you can even deploy anytime you want. So your own is not like, okay, let me stick with, I think this one, until I see this particular one, let me not stick with it. Even though I know, let me stick with this one until I want to trade. Then it's not your choice to not stick with the one that you think occurs the most, or the one that you think whenever it occurs, you're always on the white, on the perfect move. It's always on the go for you. It's always on the profit for you. Then you cannot stick with it. Am I talking, guys? Am I talking somebody?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if you are saying that which one should I go and study? You want to boycott another one? I will say this. You're gonna go. You can only specialize. As you can only specialize, but you should know. Because of what? If you want to trade that in another trading system and you don't understand what that thing is doing, you trade it wrong. So it's very advisable you know all the continuation, reversal pattern, candlesticks, any shape that is doing. You have to understand it. They can now choose to what be trading some that you think, oh, this one's on the go, this is the main deal. Am I talking somebody? This one are the main deal. Okay, let me stick with this one. Am I talking somebody? Like someone that want to do this thing now, want to do medicine, you want to specialize on something. You don't even know what is medicine say. You say want to specialize on surgery. Who does that? Am I talking? Who does that? So you get now. So you should go from what you want to place a specialization. Any. Am I clear? Am I talking to somebody? Yeah, that's it.
Yes. Yes.
I don't want you to boycott any or think no, they cannot pick one to think you want to specialize on. I think this one favors you the more. Whenever I see this and I pick the buy, I always win. Whenever I see this and I pick the sell, I always win. this favors me the more, and let me go with this. Let me always that. Whenever I see only this in the market, that means you can wait for 2 weeks. If you don't see it, you not trade. That's discipline. 3 weeks, you're not saying it. Until you see the 4th week, then you trade. Can you see? But if you know all, come to the market anybody, any day, any moment, you see it, and you're good to go. So that's why I taught you guys many strategies. So that you can use you get money, I won't pay bills. So I'll be on it. You know, I said, I will just call you. No, how much is that? Not yeah. Get life for yeah. Tell the market. Don't start. This they come. Alpha. Hey, don't see your strategy. And I show that, hey, tomato instance. Hey, price action. Hey, market structure. Beg, so the sweet. But you don't take up. You don't like our size. You don't give you what you need. You don't come here. You don't come here. You don't run away. I'm talking. That is it. But if you only have one, you'll be looking for it. You'll be prepared to want to, by all means, because what you need that in at that moment. Honey, I need something. I want to. Can I use this one to make something? If I can use it, you be fresh and you go to see those I'm here. And that's the worst thing ever. The little you are, you don't want to do it. You see everything into nothing. Imagine they pay it so. After I went on job, Gary. How is that to be funny? Not that I can't speak go again. Oh my! I just keep on. Why? That's exactly how it is. That's why I taught you guys as many as you can. Then you can all specialize that. Oh, I think I love this and this more. I think I love it shoulder more. I think I love price action more. I think I love market structure more. I think I will now stay with this. I will not specialize with this. I think this help me more. Whenever I do this, I make money. Whenever I do this, I win more. Whenever I do this, you not look around for what works for you and what gives you your own cash, and you stay with it. Is that clear, sir? Any other question?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Let's go. I think aside from this, we should we lost with the we had lost. We should have lost. The spirit of God. Oh shit. We should have lost. I mean, now we should have lost 7 cards. We should have lost.
Sure.
We should have lost. We had one on ST and then one on. Okay. Which one again? Okay, I asked them to close GBPUSD and we have one to GBPUSD. This one. We closed actually. We should have closed this one. We closed again and then the market went to bring our favor. We closed market bring our favor. I think that was it. Okay, this point.
The GBPUSD.
What do you say?
GBPUSD.
Okay.
Loss.
The what?
GBPUSD.
Okay.
Loss.
We took is what?
You took a sell, but I think it's later come back to.
Okay. You said we lost. Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this one. GBPUSD. Yeah, we closed on them. We closed. We entered around here. We market pushes to this, but we closed around something around here. And later on, when the news came out, we gave us the profits we needed. Push. That we already closed around here. It was already going close around here. Market push, do this one, then push. After the night jetted it and stopped here. They are giving us 1 to 2 profit or so that we needed. So let's look at why did we close, why did we have a very wrong, and why does the news happens to what people it later on after we have closed. Let's look at it. So why do you think you want some? Let's look at it. You should be the one training by now. I don't want to be talking again. Yes, I waited around here. Market pushes and then don't come back. So why do we think we are wrong? Train me, I beg. I don't want to talk again. Yeah, talk. Why do you think we are wrong?
Where, sir?
We entered around here. Market went ahead and we after that one somewhere around here. After the news came out, it came back to come and give us the profits we needed. And we just wanted to target this point, though that's why we entered here. And target the next cycle level. The news now gave it up and then later rejected it. So why were we wrong? And why did we opt out from this point? And later the news gave us the pips we needed.
The reason you entered was you thought it would form an M pattern, then come back to the trend line before moving.
Okay. I don't return at that time. Yeah, let me tell you that. Let me give that to you. I didn't do a return at that time. So I haven't done a challenge. So why don't you I haven't done a challenge.
Okay.
Just for the
You thought it would be able to cause there are rejections. There are rejections before it breaks the trend line.
Let me go too far so you can see very well. I'm meeting it so you can see. Okay, wait. Are you seeing everything now? Good. Why do you think you're going? What is the solution? So I want to be telling me problems and solution now. Yeah, tell me the problem and the solution.
Okay. Show me when you enter, sir.
You enter around here, sir. So you enter around here. Market goes when you're going up, now you targeted and came back to this point.
Yeah. The reason why you entered was there is a zone. There's a resistance there. There's a resistance zone there. You thought it would respect it. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
I'm with you, sir. Continue.
Yes, sir. The resistance was it has touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You thought it's going to respect. The resistance, there's a resistance there. You thought it would respect the resistance, then come down.
Okay.
But it actually took out the resistance before it comes down.
Okay. Okay. So that's the problem, right? That was the wrong thing we did, right? The wrong perception, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what's the
solution? Yeah.
If you need me to go to any what let me know. What's the solution?
The solution is you should have waited, be patient for the market to play out first, break it or reject it before you enter the trade.
Waited for the market to break. We are taking a sell now. How will we wait for market to break?
Yeah, I know. You should have waited for the rejection and some pattern.
Let me show to a lot of information so you can see that the pattern is already forming. So before you to say some stuff. So let's see where we entered. So why did you enter here? Don't forget, this is also showing something. Let me also move between time frame.
So why is market so dicey? I can see some candlestick reversal. Why is market so crazy?
So you can let me show very well. That was on Thursday. You entered somewhere around here also. The market had something like this. Came back here and then signed around here.
Okay. There is a bullish hammer there. I can see a bullish hammer there. That means it will still buy.
Which one?
Go up, sir. Go up, sir. Yeah.
This one?
No. Yeah, that
this one.
The red one. The red one. This one.
This one.
Yeah.
Don't forget that we have resistance on the cycle level. These two resistance, this one too.
That's what I'm saying. Market don't see that it's like that.
Anyway, let me help you out. I think one thing I think it should have been more clarified or more clear to me enough is this. If I had done my trend line on the 1 hour time frame, it would have been more clear to me. Because I would have seen that market did what? A bounce here, and then this place is inevitable for do a bounce to reach from here to not come and do a bounce. No, you have to take it off first, we can do a bounce. So that's one of the things. So strong cogent, which you used to note as well, but I never do my trend line until yesterday. So this trend line, see the bounce, I'm going to see it later on. So one of the best things that is always advisable, once you see an upward, anything, any small upward, attach your trainer to it. Because trainer will help to what? Open, let me take it away now. So you have to see that. You will see the need, you have to see it. You will be seeing a possible sell. Let me take it away. You will see a possible sell. Now let's go to power. You will be seeing a possible sell from that place. But once trend line, join that. The trend line will open your eyes to other things. Can you see now? You are here, no trend line. Market never move for this one, so let me cancel this one. Market never do all this one. All these ones are there how to market is around here. So what will you be thinking? To come here, maybe so. I like that. Maybe so that resistance, and then
I'm thinking for myself.
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm
thinking M pattern.
Exactly.
M pattern. Resistance.
Exactly. Cycle level.
Just cycle. Just the same market.
Exactly. So the master trend line we had at the bottom here, I think probably might wants to come here before you move or stop here anyhow. But if you come to 2 hour or 1 hour, you will see another. That's why I say you have to go to all those hours. See now, high, low, I must have just joined immediately. So it has picked my notice now. What? Always join what? No matter what, always join your trend line. Always join your trend line so fast, as early as possible. So it will help you to see clarity. That's what I think. It will help you to see clarity. So if you have joined this my trend line, probably the clarity that after this, if you have seen the market here, I'll never buy, I'll never say, no matter what, no, I will short. I saw it bounce here, second bounce here, and then the third one will also go, take away this one first before you can bounce here. I will have waited for you to come here, then probably come and do a buy. I would rather buy here. I know myself, I won't sell this market because it's against the trend. Once it's rejecting it now, enter for buy here, then you can make it. Will have been a very good side. You can make that what happened. So I learned a good lesson that's one thing about backtesting. So I just learned a lesson again today now. So always what? Always tell your trend line early. As well as you can, make sure you're doing this one early, as early as you can. So that's a good lesson for me actually. Doing what? Backtesting. As I told you, backtesting is very powerful. Very, very powerful. Backtesting is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. If I've seen it, first touch, second touch, I'll just be waiting for third touch. And I see something here, I'll just wait for you to take it out. And taking it out, I'll just be happy. I know that what is to come back here. Then anything thought of me, I'll take it by push. That's it. So it's a lesson for me actually, and I love that. I take note of that. So because of that. So always doing your trend line early as possible, as early as you can. Yeah, once you see what one lower low, the OTC maybe buy or meta, no the dollar. Don't do 2 or 3. See, don't do 1. Maybe told me, I don't need to whisper any of that moment. Try it there. As soon as I've done it, I would have seen the clarity. They're not bombing me. I would have seen it. From here is the market. If it will test, then the sell is valid. If it will test and it comes with this trend line and take it away, it will test here, then the sell is valid. If not, then it will take away. Once it takes away, then this trend is still valid. And why I will know this trend is valid because of what? I will check this page. As I see what this is a new pattern. And I told you about alternative angle. I told you about alternate angle. So an alternate angle must happen before it can be said. See, if the alternate angle has not happened, it's still what? High, lower, lower, lower. Then I'll wait for you to what? Once I'm doing then I'll confirm, oh, then it's still in the buy market. Wait for you to come and hit my sell line here again and do a confirmation, rejection, or the pattern. Let's go and I'll buy. So this trend line, as small as it is, as negligent as it may be, is a powerful thing. Both tools that we should have deployed to help us not to lose this market over here. That's it. Am I talking to somebody?
I even prefer this 1 hour time frame. I like 1 hour time frame.
It's not about
I see everything
Okay. Yeah, that's what it. Keep using everything on you. Yes, use everything. So when you see more clarity in one, clarity, clarity. That's what it be. So the more you see, the more you actually introduce your tools, introduce your equipment. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So if I've seen, I shouldn't even, no problem, I shouldn't have it. Because this is a what? First W, second W, confirmation. What you can tell me? One W, second W, and it goes. You can tell me, I, lower low. You never took it to I again, lower I. Never, no, nothing can tell me. Then you should do what? Another I again. You can tell me. So you keep doing that, lower low. Keep doing, you see now, keep doing that. So now we took a sell, and you haven't on the sell, this one. You see coming down here, low. Once it comes down, that's why I told guys that guys get ready. We have seen a good opportunity in the market already. This place we're gonna buy in. Hit it on a strong buy. Car. Carbona. No be so.
Yeah.
No be so. Carbona. So it should
Resistance from support.
exactly. So it should come something around here or stop here. Anyhow, it might stop here. It might come to the next cycle level. Anyhow, depending on whatever it does, then it should be able to buy. It's a buy market. So it should buy. That's it. So that's why you're wrong.
I think I'll write the book on my strategies now.
You said what?
I think I'll write a book on my strategies now.
That's it. That's just what it costs strategies. So that's why we lost the market. If you have not done backtesting, I wouldn't have known why you lost it. I see the use of backtesting. Very powerful. Very powerful. It will bring you back to look at it. Why was I wrong? Why wouldn't I have done this like this? Why was I wrong? Backtesting is very powerful. That's what helps many traders. It's very powerful. It will help you to reduce your losses in the future. Will I say yes? Your losses in the future. It helps you to reduce it. And the more you reduce your losses in the future, the more profit you will make in the future. Backtesting dealt with your past and helping you reduces your future losses. In a such, it gives you more profit. That's it. This one now, if I see them again, I will not go dollar if you introduce my channel to look to see clarity, what's going on. Once I see, I won't be looking for itself. I just wait for it for confirmation. If it's coming down to this my trend line and break my trend line, then I know what you want to come down to this point for itself. You must do what and alternate to invalidate this one. I told you. When I teach you guys, when I call alternate angle, I introduce mathematics for you guys. Am I talking somebody? Am I talking people?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
That's fantastic. Any questions, sir?
No question, sir.
Okay. So that was why we lost that. That's why we lost that simply. So that one is gone. So the two losses we had, I believe so.
Yes, sir.
We didn't have much trades this week because market was choppy. Crazily choppy, man. We have much trades. I didn't think it was up to 12 trade that we sent in this week. We have much trade at all. Just limited trade. We didn't have much trade. Market was crazy choppy. Crazily. Just well, man. Let's quickly do something. Let me see if you see understand price action. Let's do something about price action. That's one of the key stops. What's this, sir? Let's find out about price action. What's this?
Sir, what did you say, sir?
What is this, sir? Let's find out about price action. What is this? Let me even check on this one. What is this, sir? Let me start from here. What's this?
It's a sell market, sir.
Yeah, I know. This point, this edge, this point. What's it? What's this point?
Do you mean the lower low stuff?
Yes, price action. Price action, yeah.
Okay.
What's that place?
Okay. Lower high, sir.
Eh?
Lower high.
What do you call it lower high?
Oh, lower high is can you go back? Let's start from the back.
This place, sir. This place. What's this?
That's equal high.
Okay, equal. What's this?
Lower low.
What's this?
Lower high.
Why is it lower high? Are you sure?
No.
Eh?
Higher low. Higher low.
Are you sure?
Higher low.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I like to do my something on daily.
And what?
On daily time frame. My
Daily.
price action.
Okay. It doesn't mean can it anywhere. What is this again? What is this again? What is this again? If I go to that,
Higher
you
low.
should anywhere. It shouldn't be
Higher low.
your strength on one place. What do you call this place?
Higher low.
Are you sure?
Higher low.
Are you
Yes,
sure?
sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Why is it
Yes,
higher?
sir. Because it's higher than the previous low.
Awesome. What is this?
Let's say equal low.
It's not. Is it equal? Are you sure this is equal?
Almost equal. The wick and the body of that is equal. Almost equal.
What's the right word to use? What's the right word?
Okay. The right word to use is lower low.
I say lower low. Can I say rubbish? Oh, this is a lower low now. Come on. A lower low. This
The problem about these things is that I try to like understand it in my own term.
if you say lower low, said you are wrong now. I will call this lower low. You are wrong now. Come on. I will call this lower low. If you interpret this way,
If I should call if I should call it, I will say it's equal. I will say it's equal. Almost
can't
equal.
call this equal. You have to give it in your eyes. We call this equal. Let's draw it. This is a trend line. I can't call this equal. Let me use this one. This is it. How do we call this equal? Can't not equal. Equal should be what? Sideways. Can't call it equal. So what is it? Can't call it equal. Okay.
Okay. Lower high.
Okay. What about this?
Higher low.
What are you saying now? Okay, please. You have no person. This is time to go and do your assignment. I have to give you assignment. You are making series of because it's been a while we did this.
No. The issue is that I actually understand it.
Okay. Why not giving it accuracy?
The label, the labeling is what is confusing. I understand everything there. I understand it.
If you say you understand something, you're not passing the stuff. Why? I understand this. You're not passing the course. Then what is going on? You keep making errors. What is going on? You're not passing the course. What's going on? Why are you saying different stuff? What's going on? If you understand something, you should be able to pass it now. Why is what's going on? What is this again?
Lower high.
Lower high? What's this? You have to be able to give me understanding about it. What can you say? Okay, we started from here. What can you call this?
Yeah.
Why can you call this? Can you call that? I told you all these things. You speak like a trader. You look at it, formation of everything. You can't just use one thing. I told you all these things. You don't forget with that. I wasn't saying remember your advice on this thing. Let us know. Don't use. You be like, I have to give you assignment. I have to give you assignment too. For the last time, what's that, sir?
It's a low.
Okay. I have to give you assignment. I will have to give you assignment. and we might possibly have to give us. I'm have to give us. You have to go and study this thing on your own back.
Can you please just remind me, then I will continue from there, sir.
Okay. This is a higher than this former previous one, a bit higher high, but lower low to this. That's all. That's the complete interpretation that will not make you to know what step to take in the market. But they just say, look.
Come again, sir.
You just say overall. You'll be wrong in some decisions I want to make. So you know that, okay, this as a change is showing that to be what a retest. That was what is an high. Okay, but yet the retest is still what under the low. I mean, I have to understand better in the market. They are going to say lower overall.
Come again, sir. Come again, sir.
High. I should come again.
Come again, sir. Yes, sir.
It started from here. As though nothing was in the market yet. It started from here. This was a lower low. And it forms a high. It forms a lower high. And it forms a higher high. Yeah. Although the higher high is not higher than the initial I got, it's still what a lower higher high, but lower to the initial high. That is two answers. Two answers you, one question, but two answers required. So I can understand all the information on the first action talk of war that happens around here. I will show the interpretation for me to know the continuation. Otherwise, I will just know one action and I will not be able to interpret it perfectly. My decision will not be accurate. I might lose that market. I might lose the trade I want to take. If I will assume this one to be what I'll lose the trade. It's not done. You have to be to understand, just like someone that says, so I would like to say, you line up your grandma, and then your grandfather and your pikin, and person just say your pikin is your grandfather's son. He's right and he's wrong. He's not his son, he's his grandson. But you are his direct son. So the answer should be more accurately that is not his son. Is he born indirectly? He's small. Papa, they born that kind. I mean, when he born that kind pikin, at what age? He can't. He's in his 80s, 70s. How would he be born in 2, 3, 4, 5? So what if I give birth to someone that is mature that can give birth to him? So the accurate answer should be what a grandson. But this person in the middle is the word that son. That's how you be treating the market. Detailed analysis. One, not just overall trying to maneuver. No, you'll be wrong. If you are much more detailed, see that small thing I not do spend line. That's more detail. And it costs us for that also. And that's market for you. So I want you to be always very careful of those detailing. Everything, all those details. I want you to be careful of it. All those details must be everything. So because of what it's always happening in the market, you might lose focus, might lose detailing, might lose every thought. As I'm taking you guys to be so I'm making sure that I'm reaffirming it for you guys to be so conscious of it. So that you won't just become an average trader. You can become much more than your guy. Because you're detailed in the market. You're much detailed that pay proper attention to every single penny. Every single pin and penny, you're paying proper attention to them. If you are detailed, your accuracy will be fine. You won't have issues with accuracy. That's it. But if you're always just look at it, just as if you know. So in view of that, I'm sorry. I'm looking at it by God's grace. I'm looking at it. If we could have scheduled a meetup class this evening, if we schedule a meetup class this evening and come back again, I want you to go and look over this again. We will start from any time frame more. That you're gonna have everything saying now, you know. You want to find out. We can start from 15 times. Oh, 5 minutes here. We'll do a scrutiny on this one. Yes, sir. We'll do a scrutiny on everything. We'll like, this one, I've not this one before. We can start anywhere. We'll do a scrutiny on everything perception. Then once you guys can firmly understand, then I'll admit that our perception is huge. And we are good to go to something like that. So in view of that, I thank you for joining me today. And let's hope that later in the evening, I should be able to go out a makeup class for us. And I believe the other person should be joining us by then. Others should be able to join us as well. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. And appreciate you coming and appreciate the time shared with me. God bless you. And don't forget, if you are watching this over on YouTube or any other platform, don't forget to subscribe to us. Learn much more than this.